Hello guys. Ito si I don't
Oh
want the volume,
my
okay?
gosh.
I don't want the volume because I make this.
Look at this. He got the major.
Okay.
Lena,
Okay, good.
you know how much he made? Oh, forget it. Maybe 100,000.
Ito yung pink na pineapple, guys.
Oh, forget it. He did a huge.
Pink siya.
Oh, forget it.
Oh, yan ang pink na pineapple. Ito, pink
That's
siya,
20,000.
guys.
Oh, yeah.
Ayan, oh. Ito yung pink na pineapple.
50, 60,000. Wow, Lena.
Ayan, guys.
Wow.
Ito yung pink na pineapple.
Wow.
Nakakita kayo ng pink na pineapple?
You know how much that was?
I'm in the video.
$8. Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Ito yung pink na ano,
Oh my gosh.
na pineapple, guys.
Oh my God.
Hindi lang siya yellow, kundi pati pink.
Wow. Should have got Mr. Raymond one like this.
Ayan, guys.
I would have treated him.
I'm in the video, please.
Sorry, I said full.
You're very noisy. I cannot make a content with you. Ayan, o. Tingnan nyo yung pink na pineapple, guys. Ayan, o. Masarap siya. Yummy, yummy. Pink, right? Ito yung
Soft too.
pink na pineapple. Nakakita na kayo ng pink na pineapple? Ito. Ito yung pink na pineapple, guys.
Is it soft, Lena?
It's a pink pineapple. Yan.